In a recent video, how to add a shop announcement in Etsy, I got a comment that I wanted to show you how to do it. So the comment is, how do you add emojis? I'd love to add to my announcement. So I'm going to show you step by step how to add emojis to your shop announcement. You can also add them to your listings as well. So I'm going to walk you through how I do them. I'm sure there's other ways that you can do them, but this is just how I do them. I will say that I do have a full playlist on Etsy tutorials, and if you have any questions on Etsy, definitely leave them below in the comments. So let's head over to my Etsy shop. So here is my dashboard in Etsy. I'm going to go to sales channels and click the pencil. Then it's going to bring me down. I'm going to go past my listings for announcement. So buy 3 or more items, this is what I have. So I'm going to click edit. And then I use this website. It's called Emoji Copy. Let me make it a little bit smaller for you guys. Emojicopy.com. And you can pick whatever emoji you want. And let me see if I can find a fun one for you. Let's see. There's one that I love of, it's like the fireworks or confetti. Where is it? Or you can do this. Okay, so this is a shop announcement. So let's have announcements. We're going to click what we want, and then we just hit copy. Here we are. Then we can add it here. So announcement, buy 3 or more items and get 30% off. Or if we want, we can do add it before the dollar. So we can do that and just add them. So you just go to the little copy button and copy and paste it right in your announcement box, and then hit save. And you can do this in your listings as well. So if I want to edit a listing, I can go to edit and go down to the description, and I can add any emojis that I want there. Or I can search here. So let's search money and see what comes up. So we'll grab this one here. We're going to copy it, come up, and then I can add it here. Just kind of grab their attention. Handy, save $10,000, and then hit publish. And it was added to my description. So that is how you add a emoji to your shop announcement or a listing in Etsy. Like I said, I do have other videos on Etsy in a playlist called Etsy Tutorials, so check it out on my page. And if you have any questions for me on different things you want me to teach you on Etsy, I am more than happy to show you. So just leave them in the comments and I'll answer them like I did for this one.